Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set lock screen password in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to set Redmi mobile lock screen password, you want to use Redmi mobile lock screen password setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile lock screen password setting one by one, step by step, friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, you want to set any password on lock screen. So friends, now let's see how to set password. Open your device, phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone password and security setting, and after turn by phone password and security setting, friends, open your phone screen lock setting. Select your screen lock password type, pattern, pin and password. Friends, I will use pin password on my lock screen. Remember your lock screen password. If you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device including photos and contacts. So friends, your photo, video, everything will delete in your device if you forget your lock screen password. Remember your lock screen password. You can use 4 to 16 digit password. My password is 1234. Very easy password, 1234. Remember your password and first of all click here check your password, OK option. After set lock screen password, you want to add fingerprint on Redmi mobile, so you can add fingerprint lock. Touch on your sensor and you can use your fingerprint lock setting also. So friends, lock your screen, and when you will unlock your Redmi mobile, so friends, you can check you have password. Enter your password 1234. Phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can use Redmi mobile lock screen password setting. You can set lock screen password in Redmi mobile. Friends, again open your device phone password security setting. You want to start face lock, so you can start face lock after enter your lock screen password. Friends, if you click here screen lock and if you enter your password, you want to select your new password type, so you can select. Example friends, I will use pattern lock. Remember your lock screen password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data. Got it? Draw pattern, draw 4 dots pattern. If you use 3 dot pattern, you cannot use. So 1 2 4, 1 2 4. Lock your screen. You want to unlock Redmi mobile, so friends, you can unlock your Redmi mobile. Swipe here. You can unlock your Redmi mobile with pattern lock. Pin lock will remove. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use Redmi mobile lock screen password setting, how to use password and security setting in Redmi mobile. And friends, you don't want to use your lock screen password, already you have lock screen password, so if you click at turn off password, your fingerprint and face lock will also delete. After turn off your lock screen password, you cannot use fingerprint and face lock setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.